Introducing the V-TUF V1, a compact pressure washer with power and toughness in equal measure. Equipped with durable stainless steel accessories, an easy pull trigger and quick release nozzle storage, the V1 delivers tough performance that keeps on going. Providing 105 bar pressure from a high-power 1400 watt motor, it packs serious power into a lightweight portable machine. The high-powered turbo nozzle blasts away moss, grime and even weeds from patios, decking and driveways, restoring outdoor areas with ease. Precise, effortless cleaning on any surface. Compact, versatile and affordable, the V-TUF V1 is the perfect choice for anyone who wants professional cleaning results without the heavy price tag. Perfect for detailing, the V1 comes with 4 quick release nozzles for varying degrees of pressure. When you need a gentler touch, the snow foam applicator ensures cars, bikes and garden furniture are cleaned thoroughly, leaving a spotless finish. Small but mighty, the V1 keeps your home and outdoor spaces looking their best. The V-TUF V1.